Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Wednesday, March 3rd, 2021. Dr. Seuss would probably say it's Wacky Wednesday, and it might be a little wacky, but we have lots of good stuff to do today. We have more reading today, and it's going to be a fantastic Wednesday. It's also Wellness Wednesday. So our Wellness Wednesday tip of the week is to eat bananas. People whose diets are rich in potassium may be less prone to high blood pressure, besides reducing sodium and taking other heart-healthy steps. Eat potassium-packed picks such as bananas, cantaloupe, and oranges. That should keep you healthy. Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. Salute. Pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Today, we will have breakfast, and for lunch, we will have a cheeseburger. Tomorrow, we will also have breakfast, and for lunch, we will have a corn dog. Today's birthday is Gabriel Doan. Happy birthday! A few announcements. We are still celebrating Read Across America Week. Although our big event was yesterday, we are still going to be focusing on reading and reading as much as we can this week. So let's enjoy that. Be sure to see Nurse Eaton if you have had either of your COVID vaccinations to claim your goodie from MCPSS. If you would like another session in the lab to do ACAP practice, please let me know and we will get you scheduled. Today is March 3rd, so our late duty person is Miss Cunningham. Shout out to Miss Mullen for a great kickoff to Dr. Seuss's birthday with our AR challenge. Whoop, whoop. Such a fun day. Also, shout out to our teachers and students for participating as well. Miss Smith had 28 pages of book requests. That's a record for sure. Yay for a day full of reading and taking AR tests. That is awesome. So, we had an amazing day of reading at Kate Shepherd. Thank you to all the students who helped get Miss Linscomb down off the wall. It was a pretty speedy process. We were so impressed with how fast you could get her down. I think the last tally was over 450,000 words read. That's close to 500,000 words read yesterday. That is crazy awesome. All right, congratulations, way to go. We have some important dates. We are still working on our iReady progress monitoring this week. So students, make sure you're finishing that up. Today we have our ACAP writing PD. On Monday we will have our ACAP faculty meeting, very important. On the 10th we'll have grade level planning. The 15th to the 30th is our testing window. On the 17th we'll have AMSTI PD. On the 24th we'll have PST, and the quarter ends on the 26th. Our word of the day is dividend. The dividend is a number that is divided by another number. So in this case, the dividend is going to be 56, the part that's inside the house. All right. So the dividend, 56, is divided by 7. All right. That's our word of the day, dividend. That's all for today's news. Have a wonderful Wednesday, Kate Shepherd.